Welcome to IT networking. How to fix, guys, Windows update error 0x8007054F. So how to fix? So guys, go to click to start button, go to setting, then guys click to app, install app. So guys, any install malware scanner and any third-party software like Quickheal, McAfee, any free license, free antivirus you install. So please uninstall this because they're stopping the Windows update service. Okay, so I again tell you like this: Reno uninstaller. So Reno uninstaller is an uninstaller programmer, so it's okay. So those file malware scanner, virus scanner, and this is already you free, so this you firstly uninstall. Okay, then guys, so guys, I have some command. So this command I will give you in descriptions. So this command, so you copy and open notepad file and then click to file, save as, and select to all and type to bat and then save. Okay, so create this file automatically and right click to run as administrator and then yes. So this is a command, a lot of commands, so you cannot one by one, and so I run automatically only one click. So this is command and you only copy paste and cmd so many time waste. Okay, then guys go to control panel, and system security and Bitlocker. So guys, you in your system Bitlocker on, so please off this, and then when solve your problem then again on. So this location now you show turn off Bitlocker, so you click. Okay, last and final step, click start button, type cmd, right click to run as the administrator, yes, and type scan now space / sfc and then okay. Just a second, what's wrong with, so sfc scan now, sorry, and then click to enter. So this is command for you repair your some Windows corrupted file, automatically repair. So okay guys, when this is finished 100% and you restart your systems. Okay, bye bye, take care. Have an issue again, so comment me, I will support you.